celebrity. You have seen him in the first two seasons of So You Think You Could Dance and the music video Yeah by recording artist Usher. He has been teaching internationally, and we welcome him home from his most recent work at the Broadway Dance Center in Tokyo, Japan. This man needs no introduction, Mr. Nick Gonzalez. Another original member of the Luge Dance Theater